Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to add friends from your Snapchat web. So if you want to add any of your friend on the web version of the Snapchat, how you can do it, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your browser and you have to log into your account on the Snapchat. Once you will do it, after that, you will see this type of the interface. So simply you can search your friends right here that is already added to your list. But if you want to add someone from the Snapchat web, there is no option to add friends on the Snapchat web. To add your friends, you must have the Snapchat mobile applications, because as you can see there is no options to get this feature on the Snapchat web. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.